Yo, man, I ain't been streaming in a minute. Alrighty, here we go. Man, my bad, man. I ain't been streaming these last couple days. I really haven't been trading because I haven't seen anything I like, but I've been trading off my phone this morning, so I couldn't hop on, but I am in a trade that's currently doing some things. Show you that thing going off, boy. This trade right here is currently about to hit TP. So this one right here is a good one that we are in. I'm gonna take this to VB. Let me see. Stop that. Okay, so we got our. Did I get in? Because this thing about to go to VB. I think I got in sooner. Okay, we in right here. Maybe a couple pips. Trying to set it up to. So we got this, and that. Boom. Should see something real quick. Whoops. Alright, we'll put that there. Let's see where BR 1 to 2 at. 1 to 2 will actually be down here, all the way down here, but I want to just go to right here. But that wouldn't be a 1 to 2. That's my. So let me see. We'll move my stop. So we actually need to come to about all the way down here. But we'll see. I think it actually might come down here. Just because we got the 40 down here. We haven't even we VB'd, so we're going to take this trade to the VB regardless of what either is going to hit the TP or we're going to VB. So right now we in blue on this one. I missed. I was waiting for this, but man, I was messing around, freaking playing Call of Duty and shit, and missed my trade. I've had this one. This was my 50-50, but I just missed it. I wanted this trade so bad. And it's about the VB. This thing coming down. It's that would have been my exit, but I fucked up. I'm pissed. I'm truly pissed about this. That was my fault. I got my boom. Got my would have entered. I believe. Let me see. Yeah, would have entered right off of that one. As soon as that closed, you enter. And this would have been your entry right here. But I dropped the ball on that one. This has been an entry. It's that U-Chef. Probably would have put this a couple pips above this high. Not a bad stop loss. So I mean, yeah, we would have. What did I do? I messed something up. There we go. Get that off. We would have. Where's my entry? Come on now. So this would have been top of there. Oh, this been perfect because it's exactly where we want to go. So I mean, but of course I'm gonna stay in longer because we bought VB. So come down here and that thing might shoot. That thing might shoot down here. So I'll just stay in this trade. But you know, just so happens we missed it. I missed it. I dropped the ball on that one. Let me go see what this chef is doing. Fucking with this one. I missed it. No, I mean Call of Duty, dumbass. But anyway, let's go and see what we got anything brewing. But yeah, this trade right here. Oh, we broke here. Yeah, I like this one. I wish I would have got this one though. That's the one I'm mad I missed. Cause we would have got possibly 32 pips off of that one, possibly more because we in VB now. So yeah, that was that one. These fucking pound pairs just took off like it didn't pull back to where I would have liked it, so I didn't get in a trade once all of that happened. If it had pulled back up here, I would have got into it, but it didn't, so I just said forget it. But as you can see, I mean, even if you'd have got in on this candle, still would have been up some good pippage, but oh well, we missed that one. And I'd have been out of these trades now because they gave me my VBC. I would have got out this candle right here. I'd have been out. I'm done. Good trading. So let's say if I'd have got in at this candle right here, I took it to, what is that right here? To the close of this candle, 40 pips. Yeah, but that thing just said, phew. Hey, look at that. Yeah, these trades are done for the day. For me, it would have been. Could have still been in this one. G chef. Oh, I probably just would have got that thing at the. That thing is oversold. Jeez. That thing just said we going. So that means this is up here too. Yeah, I've been out of that one. You probably go up a little bit more, but I've been out. Hold on. Dang, we missed it. Hold on. I didn't. Just now. We got that 62, so let me look at this a bit more. See what we brewing up here with gold. Is gold trying to climb back up? Let's go to the hour real quick. Okay. Would like to see this. Let's see. So it's definitely like it's trying to make its way back up. So we could possibly get, let me see some in the 4 hour. Could come up here and get a reaction. It could drop back down. So if it does come up, we come up here around to the 2000 maybe. No, 19, 20, somewhere up in there, wherever it is at. So but yeah, goes looking like it might pull back up. I actually liked it. Took in this trade. Gosh, let me see. Well, really didn't. But if you would have got in right there, you could have got a quick 20 some pips. But I don't really trade gold like that anymore. Well, I never really did, but I don't like what these aliens are doing. See what's on TDI. EU. EU. I think EU is finally trying to do something. That's okay. So I do think it might be trying to pull back up. And I think EU might be ready to shoot Just like what I'm seeing. I wish it'd come back and give me a DeLorean, man. They've been bullying on my D-lows lately. Just have to play off the shift, but we could have played off the shift. Hold on. This just shifted, so we can actually still play off this shift. Let me see something. Okay. We can actually play off this shift. Let me see. Hold on. So I believe this is where it shifted at. Let's go take a look real quick. I'd like to be like certain, make sure it wasn't this one, but I'm pretty sure it was this one. Let's go over here. Yep, that was the shift right there. I mean, technically this is just a little bit lower than that, but oh, hold on, we still got boom. Got our W. Shift. Enter. You got 8 counters or less to be in profit. Now I'm gonna be looking for this. If it pulls, I really wanted to pull back down before I enter, so this is definitely on the menu. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one because I really like what I'm seeing. Can pull back, possibly pull back up. Give us trying to see. I watch the TDI for my exits. So yeah, that's a few days of rising. Hold on. And this right here, this is another good sign. Let me see. Hold on. No, that's something different. But let me see. Hold on. Let me see what this is doing on a daily real quick. Okay. Just trying to see something. Let's go to the 4-hour. The yellow already crossed over. I like that. Okay. So you'll see it's kind of fighting this 200 on a 4-hour. But we have to watch out for that. Oh, buddy, 200 sitting right there on the 4-hour. They hit that 200. That's the 800 hour. So this thing is fighting, like it's fighting to try to. So we got a lot of shit to break. This thing want to continue to go up. You see it hit this and drop, come back up here, hit this and drop. So we need to see if it's going to break through. Now we're on a 15. As you can see, this is exactly where it's having a hard time. Hit up here, yesterday's high, hit up here and drop. So I have to be careful with that one. I want to, but okay. I do like that it shifted up here too, but too far away from the aqua for me. This was another one. Damn, we missed this one. This was another one. We missed it though. Right here, that's a pullback I needed. Let me make sure, but I believe that was the shift that happened right here. Damn, man. What the fuck was I thinking, man? I hate when I miss good trades. Especially the ones I got marked on red that I was watching it. Because I was waiting for it to do exactly that. But I was playing around. So I dropped the ball on that one. We at, I believe it should. Yep, that's the pullback we wanted right there. Man, that's the pullback we wanted. Like we got 8 candles being profit. We'd have been in profit at first candle. from going up. And let me see. So I'll tell you how we're gonna set this up. Got in right here. Stop loss below this, probably about. You put the stop loss right there. And come on, man, why is this? I'm just kind of pissed. I missed some 2 good ass trades that I shouldn't have had. I really do think this might actually explode. So if we get a pullback, I'm gonna enter this trade. Like I said, I'm still watching that one. So, but anyway, let's see where our risk to reward would have been on this one. So we got in right there. Take this down about, say right here. I'm thinking, we would have had to come on even past this, huh? We can do that. Not right there. Kind of would have liked it right there, but so I'm looking at that. That would have been the deal right there. Or you watch your exits. You watch the TDI, because once we get to the 60, we might be gonna experience some type of pullback on that one. So we'll see. That 60 might pull back and give us that D-low we want. If it does that, and I will definitely be on that one. Oh, that's too far away from the aqua. I don't know what the hell you want to do. No, but it's in a downtrend, so we should be looking for sales unless it wants to. Like what are we? Okay, let's see what's popping with this one. This could be a little MES. If this closes below this, but nah, hold on, this shifted up. Yeah. I did like this. I was looking at this AU too, but I can't mess with that. That's 60 right there. I'm not saying that it's not going to eventually shoot up, but I'm okay with that one. This U-Chef one, blew that one. This U-Jet right here, but that U-Chef, that was a monster. I'm gonna watch this, see what this does. I'm trying to see if it wants to continue upward or is it gonna come down. But yeah, look at that one. Look at that thing. About to hit TP. But we will watch that. That's the one we missed. Hold on. And I like the where we at? We still got some room. We ain't at the 60 yet, so boom. Got our shift. About one of these candles to shift. Get in. The cool thing I like about the shift, like you don't have to get on the next candle. You got 8 candles being profit. So if it does come back down within those 8 candles to entry area, you can still get in that. So that's what I do like about it, because you got 8 candles and they come back down to give you your D-low. So you still can watch these trades like that. And then sometimes when they come up to the 60, that's where it'll start your formation, your D-low to get your pullback to the red. And the next candle be the D-low. Sometimes, not all the time, but I was looking at this. I just didn't know UCAT is kind of tricky. It can bounce off of here and go right up. So that's off my menu. We look like we starting to uptrend, so I'll be looking for buys off of this. So we get a little fitty action. If this candle doesn't, Yeah, gonna keep an eye on that AN for a potential buy. Oh, buddy. I don't think I'm gonna be on here too long today. Just wanted to hop on because it's been a while since I've been on. Let me check. Actually got all right. Hold on. Where did I go? I want to look at this chef. Is it chef? Oh, we hit TP on that one. Well, we hit this, which I. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get exit this trade. I'm cool. Like this trade is really complete for me. Yeah, it hit that. Now. Yeah, we'll see, man. I'm gonna stay in there a little bit. Gotta expect that pullback, and that's what it's doing. Okay, right here out to this 40. Got that pullback, so I'm gonna stay in it. We'll see what happens. Well, I'm expecting that pullback. I just don't know if it's gonna. It doesn't have to come down. But man, I'm out. If it does anything, I'm cool, man. So this trade is done, man. We won this trade. I actually had 2 positions on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and exit these trades in profit. So this trade is complete. What was that about? 11, 10. So I probably got about 10 pips out of this because I exit up here. So trade complete on this one. We hit TP. I'm cool with what I got right now. Gotta keep these trades on here. Come on, you gonna let me type or anything? Jesus, sometimes this dang thing just be having a mind of its own, man. I don't know if my battery low or what. I can't even type on it. There we go. I'm gonna have to switch my batteries or something. Alright, trade complete on that one. Didn't get the ratio that I was looking for, but I'm okay with that. Sometimes you don't get it because the EMA has kind of blocked it, so that's why I was like, I'm out. I ain't gonna mess with it too much. So one trade down. Like I said, the one I'm mad I missed is this one. I know what you're gonna do. Okay, we'll take this to VB. So it's like, if this closes in between here, we out. So that'll be that. Which is still good, That's what I like about one of VB, man. You good, like you can just sit and chill, relax. Like, yeah, I know what you. I'm cool. That shit awesome. So I'm looking to see what this does. Maybe this thing gonna give me that W shift back up and take off. So we just gotta see. Like I said, this trade is complete. So we got one trade done for today. look and see if we got any more. Hold on, let me go back. Let's look at this EU. EU, baby, baby. Yeah, I'm not gonna jump the gun on this one. I want to, but it still haven't shifted. This hasn't shifted over that liquid 50, so I'm not messing with it, but I really wanted to. Hold on. So yeah, see, this was the one. I'm still watching this just because we got this 60 and we can get a pullback before it shoots back up. So before that's what it wants to do. So I'm still keeping an eye on this one. That's where we shift at. I would have loved to get in right here, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna see. I tell you, if we get a pullback down here into this thing, I'm just hitting it. I'm getting in. Period. Like, no ifs or buts on that one. This is where we got our shift at. So it comes down. If it comes down anywhere below this entry right here, I'm gonna tag it. So we'll see what happens. So that's because it's the one that created the shift. So if it comes back down past here, I would like it to come back down here, or even down here. I wouldn't even trip. Like, even no, I think I get in. Oh, that EJ. That's really it that I'm looking. Hold on. Oh yeah, I didn't really do what I wanted. I said this AU. Like I said, the only thing that's stopping me is this 40. I mean, that's the 60. That's the only thing that's stopping me. Like Ace Ventura, somebody stop me. Oh, buddy. Man, like I had no idea how bad I wanted this one. Whoo, that was a good one. That was an excellent day. Look at that. I'm gonna drop it down. Come on down here. So I really do like this. We just shift, but we just didn't got this right here. The liquid 50 didn't go over the liquid 50 or the 60. So can't mess with you, and you gotta stick to the results. What is chef doing? They probably drop back. Look, see, got out. What I tell you, it's trying to go back up here to the entry, but got out of there. Came down to that 40. It's a chef, and chef love to pull back. Not saying that it won't continue. It won't eventually come back down, but actually, this is kind of actually, you know what, we probably should have got out right here. This is our BTS. This is counter trend. So yeah, you get the hell up out this trade. So perfect. I mean, even when this closes, you know, VB, like, you only got nothing. So you get out of here. So we good. We did good. We did good on that trade. I mean, we didn't get our 1-to-2 ratio, but sometimes, you know, it doesn't get you. Look at that, came all the way back up here to entry. That's why I said I was exiting. I just saw it. It just, boom, it's like, it made a beeline straight back up here. Pure, just straight up. So yeah, look at that, and it's going past that. So yeah, we good. Got in right here, got out right there, we good. Look at that. Can't be greedy. Can't be greedy. Know your exits. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta know your exits. Like, your exits is everything. Your entry and exits. Like, that's why we call ourselves, we snipers in the market. We confirmation traders. Got our confirmations. Boom, we got in and got out. I love it. I love it. Like some people probably would have stayed in and been greedy. Like, man, I'm gonna let it come all the way down to hell, to Hades. It's gonna come all the way down here and stuff. And bam, came right back up here to your entry and passed it. Then now you looking all salty. So yeah, I'm good on that one. What's EJ doing? Dang, EJ don't want to show no love, dude. EJ about to take off. Okay, it finally shifted over. Okay. I see you. Oh, that was EU that did shit for. I think EJ did. Yeah, EU. I don't know what EU want to do. Come up here to this. Boom. I don't know. Here you go, move slower anyway. Oh, buddy. So yeah, man. Really nothing that I'm seeing. You know, of course, the educator. You know, he got so many different ways to like do trading. Like, so I only know a few of the basics. So that's what I trade off of. And that's how I do my thing. So this is kind of actually downtrend. So I don't know what this is gonna do. So this, like, I really haven't. This week hasn't given me the setup that I like to see. Me personally, I think Monday was cool. That was like the best one. I think that was Monday or Tuesday. Monday. That was awesome. I loved Monday. That was the best trading day for me. NZD cap. It's just let's see something. It's actually boom. Trying to see shit if we could be going back in this uptrend. So what could happen? Just need to shift back up. Quit bullshit. But this would be a deal off it closes. But I'm trying to. Is it okay? Hold on. We might be on to something. Let's see. NZD CAD. Ah man, but that's. This shit is so damn. Sometimes it's just a headache. Cause it's. Let me see. Let's see. See where we at. I mean, yeah. Could take this thing up. I like it. Got some rise, pull back down, and I could be ready to pull back up. I like what I saw the EMAs is pointing out in that direction. So I mean, why not? Like if it gets through all of this, like we golden, but we have to. I mean, here goes. This is a D-Lo right here. Yeah. We got a D-Lo going up. Hold on, y'all. We might be on to something. We actually got a D-Lo. The EMAs, like, they all are on. There's even on all of them. Boom. They in order. Now let's look on the 15 real quick. I don't know. Hold on, buddy. We might be. Come on, man. I gotta get a new freaking mouse. Ever since I dropped it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take this. So we got a D-Lo on the 1 hour. Boom. You got it's a 3 hour trade for this one. So you got 3 hours for this trade. If you'd have took this one and got in right here. 1, 2, 3. So right now you'd have been in profit. You're in profit right now. Yeah, let's set this up. I'm about to Yeah, just go ahead and close. Oh, we about to be up in this one. What is this? NZD cat. I gotta add this to my crypto. Blah 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 blah. No forex crosses. NZD cat. So spread is 2. So I'm gonna enter this as soon as this one closes. So we probably gonna be risking about 8 pips. It looks like. So I'll set this up later. But as soon as this closes, I'm about to enter here in a second. Let me see. So yeah, this is a good trade. NZD cat. I'm in it. All right. So what we're gonna do here is, I'm in this baby. We're gonna see what happens. So we got 3 kind of rule on this one. Look at my chart. Hold on. We had 88221, 882. So we got like a pip difference from my MT4 to this one. All right. So I got in. This one got me in at 88240. If I be hating sometimes, it just. Here we go with this. But yeah, so I just gotta do this because it be tripping. That's where it put me in at, cause the spread. Okay, here we go. You would think I would take some of my earnings and buy me a better camera on this Mac, but it came with this cheap ass keyboard and mouse order from like QVC like a long time ago. So that was that. Let's see. I will probably put my stop loss maybe coordinates 6.2. So I'll probably put mine at like 5.881 5 on my MT4. Y'all could have gotten it down there. That would have been a nice entry as well. But I'm already in. So let's see where we would put our. Boom. Then down there. So of course, like I would want to come up here, which would give us a 1-to-3 ratio. But let's see what's over here first, because we still got to get past that. What would this be? Is this to be first TP? Which, nah, hell no. We need to come on. The hell you doing, bro? Like, nah. At least the right here. Right here would be cool. Target entry, that'd be like 20 some pips. So that'd be a good one. So like if some of you got down here, like this is a good entry if I just took it because we so close to this. I said forget it. Like I'm not tripping because we so close to the yellow, so I'm okay. But if some of you took it, got in right here, you good. I mean you probably break even right now or something, or you still depending on your broker, so. And for me, I had to come up probably to like about the 5.88250 or something like that for me to be in profit. So that's that right there. Remember, we got a 3 counter rule on this one. If we're not in profit in 3 counters or less, we exit a trade. So from 1. So 8:45, 2, 3. So that'd be 7:15. If you're not in profit at the close of this candle, then we exit the trade. Simple as that. Like I said, I had liked this trade for a number of reasons. Because we go to the 4-hour, we got the EMAs. They on the bottom, so that's signifying an uptrend. Then we go to the hour, and what's cool about the hour is that you got a DeLorean on the hour as well. So that's pretty awesome. I like that. And the EMA's on the bottom. So you got a lot of confirmations. You got the 1 hour DeLorean. You got the 4 hour, the EMA's on the bottom. And EMA's on the bottom. And they all like, in their appropriate positions, like the 50, the 200, 800. That's awesome. So, yeah. So like, even I would say, like, if I'm not in profit in say like 3 candles, just because this is we got an hour DeLorean, what I might do, I might wait to the 3 hours, like the end of this. So once this is over, then the 3 hour candle closes. What's this? 4, 6, 7. So about at 8 o'clock. If you're not in profit, I might just cancel this trade, depending on this. So I do like this. We got the hour, then we got the 15-minute. Right? So yeah, we risking what, 7? Like, come on, man. Look, we risking. Let's just say 8 pips to get 20 pips. Like, come on. Like, wouldn't you like I'll take those odds any day. So yeah. So we'll see what happens with this, and that's gonna be that. And so far, that's the trade that's been called on this slide. We'll see what happens. So far, we were 1-0 for trading today. What's this? The stop loss. Do that. Let's do the. And like I said, man, like I'm not like I'm a professional trader, you should do this. Like man, I'm still learning, and just like I'm not like an educator on any type of like company platform. Just taking what I'm learning and trying to apply it, and for me to, I say, become a more profitable trader. Like I'm throwing myself out there, like trading live. Like like who really? There's not a lot of people who trade live. Like, and so hopefully I can be a successful live trader and help people. Yes, I'm with the company, but I'm not promoting like, hey, join me. So not at the moment. So I'm just like trying to get the ins and outs of this trading. I'm getting a lot more patient, seeing the market a lot more differently than I was a year ago. I started about I don't know, maybe 18 months ago, and I'm trying to develop this skill of trading. It's not an overnight success thing, and I'm still going through the emotions just like all the other profitable traders, where you do reckless things, you over leverage, sometimes I still do that depending on the trade, but I can handle my emotions a lot better. But yeah, for the most part, it's like just gotta be consistent, and be a student of the game, and just keep trading and doing the homework and understanding how these markets, market structure and how everything go, and trust the process, like follow the rules, even like I know we want to enter a trade, we wanted to go straight up, but it doesn't do that. It can come down here and then shoot up. It's some nice market psychology, human psychology that it goes off of. So like understanding that some of these pairs they move slow, like NZD CAD. It's not a super fast moving pair. I mean, look at it. Like you don't always get a big strong move. Look at all this. But one thing we do is you see the times that we trade 2, say 2 to 10, you see how the market move, and then these other sessions doesn't. But like, they go 2 to 10, they really didn't move that much. But when they do move, it's between those times, so the times we trade, right? The times we trade, okay, it's moving. So it doesn't mean like if you're in a trade, you don't have to get out at it. Like, oh, it's at 10 o'clock, I gotta get out. Nah, you can. It's just that we would like to be in a trade, like within those time frames. And you see this like from the times that we get into these trades. That's when we in and out, the market's moving. All of that. This is my no trade zone. My no trade zone. It's consolidating and all that stuff. Boom. That's the Asian session. We don't trade in those time frames. I mean, you can if you know what you're doing, but we a newbie. We don't trade in those time frames. So let's go look at I wonder if I can put this like on pause or something. Okay. What are you talking about with resolution? Oh, I think okay, I'm just looking to see they talking about my resolution. Paid to wait. Let's cut on some music or something. Let's go to I gotta have patience, so I gotta find a song. If I didn't pass it, so I can just type it in like that. Patiently. Where is it? Jesus. I'll put it right there. Alright, I gotta cut my speakers on so you can hear it, because I can't even hear it. Pay to wait, y'all. Yeah, we paid to wait. I'm gonna answer some of these questions.
my pride, you, entry, shit, money, that's what I get, patient, replay, all the thousand profits. Yeah, we paid away. Yeah, we paid away. We paid yeah, we paid away. We paid
Yeah, we paid away. So the only thing I am worried about on this one is he didn't come back up over this LC. So let's see what this candle does. Hopefully this candle comes up here. Just gotta watch it and see what it does. And plus the cat is still strong, so I'm actually fighting that. So we'll see if it's gonna give us anything. So but overall I do like the trade. But we have been up here a few times, so it's kind of, yeah. But we'll see if the market wants to push. So let's see if we got anything else. Let's look on the 30 and see what this is doing. See on the 30, see we came down. Trying to see. This is counter if we go, so I'm not gonna mess with this anymore. We done with this trade. I'm gonna come back and check on this, but I don't think. What was the trade? I'm freaking lost on the cat, so we'll see. Like I want this thing just to take off. I don't hope it does, but we'll see. But we gotta, these trades up here, these pound pairs pretty much done. So let's go back. Let's find some music and let's just let's find something that's, I don't know, more upbeat, I guess. Upbeat. Pretty probably not gonna mess with anything pound. Pound had already made its move. It's done. Those are the pairs I like trading the most is pound pairs. When they move, they gonna move, and I can be in out of the trade quick. You know what they like right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm out. An hour and 15 minutes if I had to take this trade.
Pull up the strap. FOMC, the candle straight blue with the deal on my tool bag. I pull up the strap, cashing out hundreds, my money straight green. Counting up pips with the action on screen. My team got their food on their plate. Up at the dawn, I grind late. GU just spawned, it's our fate. Got a couple of minutes that we have to wait. Into the zone, yeah, you know it's our will. Are you in blue? Do you want the red pill? Look in my eyes, got the fire, it's real. If you ain't with the squad, then you're about to get killed. Like the market makers in their pockets, deal straight out. It's pulling up with the blue parties like whoa. If you can't stop this, always stop losses. Like we win 50 times in a row. Every little moment, yeah, you know this. It's our time, gotta let it show. Gotta get the bag, hope I gotta set it and forget it so you know we got a shot like that. I got it like that. I got the crap back.
Possible entry right here. Since I'm in CAD, I'm not gonna get in.
FOMC, the candle straight blue with the deal on my tool bag. I pull up the cashing out hundreds, my money straight green. Counting up pips with the action on screen. I'm all in my bags, I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. I'm all in my bags, I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. No FOMC, the candle straight blue with the deal on my tool bag. I pull up the strap, cashing out hundreds, my money straight green. Counting up pips with the action on screen. I got these ketchup in mustard straight. It's apparently running the back on my dealer is like that correction, like when you're in profit, your stop loss get hit. Down, let it just run its time through. Fellas, those are jaded, will find out the truth. They don't have the real, I don't care how they feel. Teach you right or the people gon' lose. My crew can't stand these frauds. I'ma call them the truth. I'm all in my bags, I got it like that. Yeah, watch what the real dealer do. Bigger cut location space. Into your bag, that is that. Pull up or shut up, my GPS hit. We grabbed it and that is a fact. I'm all in my bags, I got it like that.
They got out of this trade.
FOMC, the candle straight blue with the deal on my tool bag. I pull up the cashing out hundreds, my money straight green. Counting up pips with the action on screen. I'm all in my bags, I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. I'm all in my bags, I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. No FOMC, the candle straight blue with the deal on my tool bag. I pull up the strap.
Hoping that these U.S. pairs start to do something around the New York session. Could be setting up for that.
Why does everybody profit except for me? I'm red.
Look on the 30. Man. Seeing Mays just blocking. They pit blocking. So I'm trying to do right here. See a Millie, baby. Millie, I got motivated. Motherfucker, man, they hate.
Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hate. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated.
Make this thing to push.
I'm tipping no waiters. I'm sipping champagne with no special occasion. I just took a trade from Tyrone Foster. The team we got made, so now we celebrate. Took a trip to Miami. I'm riding in Forex. Up at 4 in the morning, I'm stretching. I'm young. Catching fish in the morning. You probably was slow. Every trip with the team and me, like, and we know it.
We made it and we know it. Made a couple million, I'll show it. Motivated and growing. Funding my million accounts, so it won't blow it. Yeah, all they watch is 2 candles. 100 racks is 2 hands. Turn it up, the fire no hand. Blessing my own team's bankroll.
I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hate. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hate. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated.
Hey, get into the bag. You know I die. TV, I got racks. Nation on my back. I'm on my grind, getting the profits. All that I see. Yeah, battle the cream. Because I know if I can do for me. When I'm ready, smashing money, get my team paid. Get these pips and I'm busting to the home plate. up to the 96, something happening. Let it rain, watch the train start running. All about the money, my squad on bars. We smash it, they come and we smash it. Like making this bread away, we played it all the day.
I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hate. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hate. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated.
Made a million, I'm motivated. Took a shot at try, man, that shit be crazy, crazy. They said the profit's good, man, I say that shit's amazing. You know we talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. We know we on our pimp walk, that pimp walk. $1 million brother dealer nation. Started from the bottom, we ain't playing. Gotta keep that heat on that goal line. You know we talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. Fuck this cash up on a new pen. Fuck this cash up on a new pen. You can't understand us, we don't play fair.
It's that hour D-Lo. We're going to set up the hour D-Lo.
Be careful all the pimps, you a sturdy. Drop the top my whip, I be swerving. I can't believe the profits hitting early. Marcus make us hit
Close range.
We be talking pimp talk, we be copping whips too. We be on that pimp walk, GBP and DU. NFP no manners, man, we swerving.
Like I might put my TP, you know, on the 1 hour D-Lo. Jeez.
We talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. We know we on our pimp walk, that pimp walk. Fuck this cash up on a new pair. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. You can't understand us, we don't play fair. Rolling up them bands, tell the market makers out of ya. Live my mama proud like I told ya. See it in your eyes, G, you heard ya. Get your TPs, forget the body count. Diving full force, yacht in the private club. Fire up my way, gotta drive the top the way down. I was on that highway, catching blues all the way down. Robbing all the brokers in the zone, cause I'm cashing out. Sitting on them hundreds and them hundreds, what we talking about? $1 million brother dealer nation. Started from the bottom, we ain't playing. Gotta keep that heat on that goal line. You know he talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. Fuck this cash up on a new pair. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. You can't understand us, we don't play fair. Rolling up them bands, tell the market makers out of ya. Pulling up, broke the cigarette. Pulling up with my hitters if you get me. Red eye zone on the dark. Got them bands cashing out. You a star.
I had my stop loss in the wrong spot. Yeah, so we're about 9-10 pips. That's the new sun was up.
We know we on our pimp walk, that pimp walk.
So let's go to the hour and set that one up.
Started from the bottom, we ain't playing.
Yeah.
Gotta keep that heat on that goal line. You know he talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. I know when I fall. Blockity, 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 block, blockity, 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 block, blockity, 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 block, blockity, blockity.
You know what's crazy is now that we got that 15-minute D-Lo, I think we would put our stop loss up here. So yeah. Woo! Do y'all know what that means? Hold on. TP will probably be up here somewhere. But since we got that, we're looking at moving our TP. We're moving our stop loss up here now. That thing is powerful. So it's like, even if we wasn't coming, just go out right here, you're still looking at a 1-to-4 ratio. Shit powerful, man. So we can get rid of this. We don't even need it. We got that 15-minute deload. We can actually come all the way up here.
This is a come up when the pips are in red. We sell it, it's hot. Coming correct. Nobody's a stop loss. Coming to check. You're talking to cash. You know that blackity black on the pop. Went through the struggle and the pain.
We got our UB up some pickles.
NFPFOCN. All the same. Ignite the flame. That peso when the sun drop. Now send it to the stop loss. What you do, man, it gotta cost. Just call me the block bomb.
Come on now. One thing I do like, what this candle just did, it closed above all of this structure right here. It closed above all that. Even, yeah, where all these closed at right here, it closed above all of that. So that's what I do like, you know. So now we are about to come up to here, the 60. So hopefully we can get something like can bust through. If we get to the VB, we good. So far we are doing pretty good. If you took this trade, you are in blue. Remember I said you gotta be patient, man. Like, I paid to wait, got in on this candle, 1, 2. So far we in profit. We'll see if we stay that way. Alright, so we at the close of this candle, we'll see if we are in profit. If not, then we exit the trade. They're like, but I didn't want to. No, hey man, like, this thing is set up for a reason.
Blockity, blockity, block, blockity, 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 block. Treating the market just like a bank. We pull up the pips in the bag. All better cash, the haters be mad. On their play, they see the flash. Yeah, into the zone, but we not alone. Only if we playin' cash. Dropping the heat to your dome. We on gang, like that. Shot in my dog. This how we started. Part in the west. Down in the clubs. Shot in the hardest. Nothing like a nation. Into blue, blue is the way. You know we ain't playing. Blockity, blockity, blockity. Yeah, see, I'ma keep going, I'ma keep rising, flipping accounts on God got cash, I'ma be grinding, straight as be lying, gonna keep buying, me to be soaring, me to be flying, trigger be selling, trigger be buying, I'ma keep going, I'ma keep rising, flipping accounts on God got cash, I'ma be grinding, throwing that beats up for that BTS, they got stopped out, all over the face, this is a blue party, and just started yet, my car about to catch case, and just every boss, gotta take it off. Every boss gotta take it off. Every boss gotta take it off. Gotta take it off. Gotta take it off. Every
Cat, what you trying to do? Cat hating on the motherfucker. He's in profit. He don't want us to be in profit no more. What's going on, y'all? Let's see what happens in 10 minutes. I still might not get out because remember we got the hour D-low too. So still got the hour D-low. So you still be in profit for here. So I want to 8 o'clock is what I would stretch it out to. But we'll see what happens. Got entry right here, the entry right here. You know, especially if we can break this. You know, we break these, we good, man. Like, we coming up here. So. I would actually like to see, it's about 7:15, I would like this candle to be at least back up here. You know, we still got this hour. But by 8 o'clock, I would like this thing to actually close above this. At 8 o'clock, close above this, we good. Then we gonna at least come up here. Right here to right here. This is where it closed at, but this is the high it went, so. If it goes here, then we're looking at up here. And up here in this area, but so what could happen is like we could actually hold on, this thing went back to it's there, I want to say, but it actually we in profits. He's back in profit, so let's see. So yeah, we still back in profit. Let me go ahead. Let me get rid of this right here. It's kind of in the way. So we'll see what happens. I need to work out today. I ain't work out in a couple of days, so I gotta work out. I really gotta get that in. I'll do it sometime today. I might work out twice. So I'm bored. So right now we got some blue going on. I should jump on my put my Facebook live on. Oh, let's check out. I said I wanted to see what. Hey. Anything I said right? Got a couple of D-lows and everything right. Like a car can't. Trying to get hype, y'all. Profits a day.
Don't trade the trade, cause I'm paid to wait. I got these niggas like, man, this ain't real. profits I hit in my face. This is real life, not a phase. We don't just do this for play. Catching these profits today. Money is all in the way. Shaman, I'm running my race.
Uh-oh, y'all see that? Come on, go on and push it. I think I might turn on my YouTube live, my Facebook. Let's see what the chef. Yeah, I think we about to oh yeah, we going to YouTube live. We about to tease these mother suckers. My Facebook. I keep saying YouTube. Woo! Let me see if I can cut on my Facebook as well, if it'll let me. So let's see if we can do Facebook Live. Gonna be like, we catch Eddie. Let's see something. Woo! Y'all see that, baby, baby. All right. So let's go live. See if they let me do all of these live. That'd be nice. I don't know if he's gonna let me. Camera permission denied. You have blocked camera access to go live. Please update your browser settings to allow access. Huh? I don't even want to use my camera, so let's see if it'll let me do that. I don't even want to use. Oh, I think it won't. Probably because I'm already using it on the so it won't let me do it because I'm using it. Hold on, let me do something. Let me go to only me real quick and see what if it. Oh, ain't gonna let me go live yet because I am using my camera for you guys on YouTube. Woo! Oh man! Come on now. Why did this thing jump to Facebook? What is wrong with you? Like, who does that? Stop it, yo. I gotta get out the face, basically, yo, because it won't let me go live. It won't let me go live. It won't let me go. This thing is hating. All right, so let's get back to this party, baby. Alright, I'm gonna just go live on Facebook on my phone. Look this up. So that's what I'm gonna do on here.
I'm running my race. Process, I hitting my base. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play. Catches these brothers a day. Money is all in my way. Sharing, I'm running my race. My entire team is my life. My entries are always precise. My exits are all time concise. My future is looking real bright. Even though BCLS is all on the plan, I know by tonight my profits will smash. These vectors will dash. I'm hitting TPs, alright. Split a click up, gotta cash so fast, so you know what the deal. Don't trade the trade, cause I'm paid to wait. I got these niggas like, man, this ain't real. Put it zone 1, zone 2, hit a lick for the price, yeah, kill what we kill. Hit the red pill, I always on the blue. Can you see this damn all on my grill? Pick up the moves, pick up the way, all of it, the markets on tape. Pick up the profits, markets are thoughtless. I'm pitching the whole back game. We are the nation, we stand proud, repping all this cash all deep in your face. Ice on froze, nobody knows what's coming next. Hyperdrive's away. Pull up, yeah, whip, yeah. And force funded, killing the game. I got it up, perfect my entries, the triggers are true. That I got me, my chicks bad, and I'm not frontin'. Asian, even Europe, that London. If I show up in the kill zone on time, yeah, I'm gunning, yeah. Deposits are hitting my base. This is real life, not a phase.
Come on, y'all. We got that blue party going on this YouTube, baby. Let's go. Come on. Just let y'all know I've been streaming this YouTube live for a while. But we are actually live on the YouTube right now. This is a trade that we are in. I set this up right on YouTube Live. Don't believe me? You can just go to my YouTube and look at that thing. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Got the hour D-low entry and we got the 15-minute D-low entry. Well, let's hear this music real quick. This shit banging. Man, I'm down there want to grab me some cranberry and vodka. I'm hyped. This is what I do now on the YouTube. Yeah. Entry. Woo! Uh-oh. YouTube Live and Facebook. We about to VB, baby. You know what that means. We on VB. You know what that means. We smooth selling, baby. Woo! Smooth selling now. We either gonna take it to TP or VB. I think I'm gonna go mine to VBC. Just hitting my face. We don't just do this for play. Woo-hoo! Come on, I'm not an educator, baby, but I'm educating. So far, we 2 for 2 today. 2 for 2.
My exes are all time concise. My future is looking real bright. Even though BCLS is all on the plan, I know by tonight my profits will smash. These vectors will dash. I'm hitting TPs, alright. Split a click up fast, gotta cash so fast, so you know what the deal. Don't trade the trade, cause I'm paid to wait. I got these niggas.
All right, we'll come back to this in a second. But yeah, so we've been on YouTube Live lately these past week or so. So the trade we was in earlier that we hit TP was our NZD Chef. Got into this trade. Let's make the screen a little bit better. We got into this trade earlier. We got our entry was right here. Our TP was down here. And like I was saying that once this thing came down here, we got a number of reasons to get out. One, this is our TP. This is a BTS counter trend. So once we hit the white 200, we hop out. Plus it's down here at that 40. You see what happens as soon as it touched that 40. Pew, went back up. Now look what it's doing. So for those on YouTube Live who took that trade, congrats and hope you got out. Hold on, you couldn't take this trade because I entered this trade way before I got on your live. It was already in progress. But anyway. That was that trade I did earlier. Then now we in this trade right here. what is that? NZD CAD. That's we in. That's what we in. Yeah. So we are in blah 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 blah. NZD CAD, and I liked this trade for a number of reasons. Was because one, this thing is pretty odd. I think this thing has some climb in it. Like, it has some climb. See, for one, let's go to the 4 hour. I like what I like on the 4 hour, mainly because look where the EMAs are at. EMAs are on the bottom, signifying uptrend. I like that they in sequential order. We got the 800, 250. Perfect. So I like that. I like it a lot. All right, so then we go to the hour. Right. Again, we got the EMAs in sequential order. 800, 200, aqua. Perfect. I love that. And not only do they in sequential order, look what we have. And it's within our time frames of when we trade. We have in our DeLorean. So you get in right here, you got 3 hours. So there's 3 candles or less, we got 3 hours. So we still got a whole another hour to still be in profit, which we already are in profit. But 1, 2, 3, we in profit. Once it's gonna close, we still in profit. We good, right? That's why I got this right here. 1 hour D-low entry, D1 right there. Now I did enter that. That had already happened before, but I did get in on the 15-minute D-low. But why I was so confident of taking this trade was because all those confirmations on a 4 hour, all the EMAs are in sequential order. On the 1 hour, all the EMAs are in sequential order, and we got the hour D-low for a buy. Then we go to the 15-minute. We have the hour D-low for a buy. We have the 15-minute D-low right here for a buy as well. So got our 15-minute D-low. I entered up here, and 1, 2, 3, we in profit. So it was just too many confirmations not to enter this trade, and so I would take this trade all day. And right now, our risk to reward is at a 1 to 2.6. So let's see what would it be if we went right here. We still not a 1 to 2, but you know. So I'm going to get out right around here, and that's like, actually I believe this is like, yeah, right here. So we go to the hour. To the hour, it's like right around here. So either one of these would be a good exit, if not for the VB. But yes, let me see something. Right here be that would be my exit TP area. So yeah, come on now, right for me, just be acting up. Oh, ooh, that's a lot of. All right, so right here is my TP area for that, and I'd be right. We're coming to the 60. So if we VB on the hour as well, I might hold this baby until we get a VB on the hour. I mean VBC on the hour. So we'll see. We coming up to the 60 on the hour. Let's go back down to the 15. So we'll see what happens with that. See what's popping on my YouTube. YouTube is definitely. I mean, I'm starting to get people subscribing to my YouTube, asking me questions, and it's a lot more engagement. I'm gonna go back and actually start to. I come from the marketing world, so I need a lot of gadgets and stuff to boost up my YouTube channel, SEO, and all that other good stuff. I just got to go back and start doing all that stuff again. My plan is to actually, maybe start helping people trade, and it's just crazy that, people are starting to respond, and I ain't even, I'm just like putting it on there, and people subscribing and asking questions, so that's pretty neat. So I'm gonna figure more of this YouTube live stuff out, and and really get this going. I'm gonna start by working on my website and do a lot more in that area now that I've really found something I like to do. And I'm not afraid to jump on live, yo. Like I'm trading live, like I don't even, this shit is crazy. Like I can just jump on live and trade, like with the minimal knowledge that I have from, the whole DeLorean course. I am willing to jump on live and trade. Like this call right here, we was just going through the market. Oh man, look, blah 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 blah, and this is that. So I'm gonna enter right now. See, I'm entered. I'm in this trade. I'll be patient. We got in right here. Yes, and it came down some. We came a little bit down, but like I'm like, look at the risk to reward. It's why is this down? What is this? Okay, yeah, we risking what? 9. Let's just call it 10 pips. Like 10 pips to get 20 pips. And we possibly get more. Come up here. We in VB, so that thing can't shoot up. I mean, furthest I would probably take it is here. So I mean, you get 20. That's like 3 more pips. So, but that is what it is. And man, like it's pretty neat. I'm not mad at all. Not bad at all. Hold on. I'm tripping. I can actually move my stop up now if I wanted to. Yeah, I can move my stop up to break even. So for risk-free trading, but we'll just keep it right here. Since we passed this checkpoint, we in VB, I can pretty much move my stop into risk-free trading. So yeah, that's that. Let me see. Got a like. I think I got my like. I don't know what. Analytics. With some other trades I was waiting on. I was waiting on the New York session, possibly for some of these New York pairs. U.S. pairs, I should say. Oh yeah, this is one I missed earlier. Like I was looking at this earlier, but I was messing around playing on Call of Duty and missed it. Look, we got our 50, yo. We got our so that would have been that. Like that would have been like a 1 to 2 ratio. Off the shift, boom boom, right here, entry. That shit, like, man, it's straight profits all the way down. So, follow your exes, boom. So you got it right there. You got 30 pips, man. Like, come on, like, jeez, yo. You might not get yours. So yeah, we got that one. So I'm actually watching this. Hold on, man. Like for the more advanced people, this is actually a good, like, this is a deal if you're more of an advanced trader. So, but this is what I was waiting for this to do something, and it looks like it's doing it. Let me check my NZD CAD though, because we clowning on this one. Yes, we still in profit. We good. Take this baby to VB. It hasn't VB yet. It was trying, maybe because let's check on the hour. See where we at on the hour. It's coming up there. So it's coming up there. We not. Okay, so let's go back to the 15. Let's go through the market some. Cut this music back on. We're gonna go through the market and see if we can see if any trades at 7:30. See if we got any new trades.
The red pill, always on the blue. Can you see this damn all on my grill? Pick up the moves, pick up the way. All up in the markets on tape. Pick up the profits, markets are godless. I'm pitching the whole back game. We are the nation, and we stand proud. Rapping all this cash all deep in your face. Ice on froze, nobody knows what's coming next. Hyper drives the way. Pull up, whip. And it's force funded, killing the game. I got it up, private my entries to trigger such true that you got me. My chicks bad, and I'm not frontin'. And she even Europe, that London. If I show up in the kill zone.
that. This is exactly what I was. This is exactly what I was thinking that this was going to do. When we got the strong push down, I'm thinking like, yeah, this is the first leg of the M or W, first leg of the W, possibly. Why? Let me see. Let's go. Got this. Look at that. Look at this. Boom. Got that. Went up here. Let me see. I believe this is the shift though, but let's be 100. Let me get out of this one real quick, because this could be something that's about to be popping. Actually might get into this trade, but I won't get in right now. But I'm just saying it's possible. Let's look. But I believe this is where the shift right here. Boom. Can enter there. You know, like you gotta sometimes a shift. Like that's a lot of pips. Like that's a lot of pips. Buddy, but I do believe that this baby is about to come up. Like, look at that. It's a shift, enter, and you got 8 counts to be in profit. So that was that. Exactly what I was thinking this thing was going to do. Same with this. Still got the, and the reason I really thought it was going to do that because I'm looking at the EMAs. They still all showing uptrend. It's just a pullback. Same with this. So this is what we possibly looking at, and voila. You just take that baby to where you can take it to. Look at these. I don't really like what that's doing. Okay, nope. That's about the chef pair thing. Let's see, but those GU and GJ, most definitely. Like I would be looking at those. Possibly, I think could possibly. Look at that. What did I say? GU, GJ. Look at that. They got weak as fuck. US and got weak. And what was I looking for? Remember that NU? I was looking for that thing to go up and look at that. Like I said, man, this shit is powerful. Like I said, this would have been something good right here. And that's look what we got. That's a more advanced D-Lo, but it's a D-Lo. You'd have took that trade. Even if you got this right there, you'd have been up some pitch. But let's look at I like that this is strong. So move in CAD. So we are still doing our thing with that. And actually, what I like when I took that NCAD trade, NZD CAD, the CAD was like stronger, but based off what we were, our confirmations, it was about to get weak. So yeah, GU, like this could be a really good trade. All right, let's go to the hour and see where this thing could possibly go. So it's actually banging up on that. Like this thing, looking like maybe up in this area somewhere where it could possibly go. So yeah, man, this thing just took the freak off. Like, is there news or something? Because let's look. Oh yeah, and the USD had news at 7:30, so even though they was orange folders, that had a big impact. So that's why that thing. Oh yeah, the news was garbage. Actually, should have been at 6:30 because I think this is like an hour fast or whatever. I don't know. But anyway. But so that baby did that. Look at that. Look at that W. Like, even on the hour. Bing, bing, bing. Right back up. And this thing. Yeah. So I'll be looking for this, like, in the next, I don't know. That thing moving already though. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. You see that shift? Like y'all get in this thing, and you profiting already. Even if you got in right at the entry, like you still up. You up 16 pips. Like come on. Same with GJ. Like they move so much the same. Like they mirror each other. Not mirror, but they the same. Like look at that. You in there. Alright, but of course I didn't get into those because I was too busy doing this. Uh-oh! Come on now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. What else we got on this thing? We gotta pull up with some pips and buy the motherfucking dip. Where is it at, man? Jeez. I probably already passed it. Might be up here. I think it's motivated. We'll play this until we got that blue party going though. Y'all see it though. Y'all see it. So y'all on that YouTube live, I hope y'all took that trade. Y'all, man, better stop playing with me. I gotta find that pull up with the pips, baby. Trying to pull up with them pips on y'all. What's this one? There we go. About to pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dip. Woo! Yeah. We BB, baby. We BB. Woo! We relaxing now. Let's go to the hours. What we looking at on that hour? Did we hit that 60? We ain't hit the 60 yet. That's when we might get that rejection. Make money 9 to 5 and I make money on these charts. Yeah.
You're missing more than a sensation. Hey, strong candle wins. Fuck with the market. Explain trends. Hey, market makers about to get the stick. Withdrawn is how we get ready. They show you a hand, then we make a band, and then we look in the pigs. 80 yard divided by in the kill zone is where we be. GBP, USD, NZD, no CAD. Pips up all in my pocket. Hey, riding the train like a rocket. Hey, I close it all in pocket. Hey, I ain't moving up no socket. I show the big pimpin'. Get my 10 in, then I'm dipping. Fizz on me as a pimp up. Gripper, we in it with a chest on. Hey, you be trading Michaels on my lap. Size of standards. Hey, you ain't got the answer. Profit drive like you talk cancer. Hey, all of this money I bleed. Vectors are all that I see. Entry defines my destiny. All because I know what 5 can do for me. Pull up with them dips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them dips by the motherfucking dips.
Hey, hey, pills, pills, pills. By the motherfucking bills.
My success, put them bees up for that BTS. Making profits is easy. You rely on cities because you need it. Still believe me. All of the friends trapped and traders. Making a meal before my haters. Life is hard like a Florida gauge. I just wanna pull up with that stick. Hey, talking about guns, talking about profits, and it's one. Clicking that button, make this shit fun. Now I feel like you're like you got your salary and one click. You choose pair, you pick. No Fridays, I ain't with it. Then you shift and trade profits.
He say, W shift entry profit. The corporate ladder, hey. I know he's gonna listen to that again. And I don't care what y'all say, your boy's gonna suck this on. I'm about to clown. Pills, 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 pills. By the motherfucking pills. Yo, listen to that again. That shit be beating. I like that song.
Motherfucking deals. Pull up with the pips by the motherfucking deals. Pull up with the pips by the motherfucking deals. Pull up with the pips by the motherfucking deals. By the motherfucking deals. Motherfucking deals. The pips bought me the whip. The pips bought me the crib. The pips got me flossing. Hold my clip, I drip. If you're not with D-Nation, you're missing more than a sensation. Hey, strong candle whiz. Fuck with the market, it's brain tricks. Hey, market make it's about to get the stick. Withdrawal is how we get rich. They show you the hand, then we make a band, and then we look in the pics. ADR, divided by, in the kill zone is where we be. GBP, USD, NZD, no CAD. Pips are all in my pocket. Hey, riding the train like a rocket. Hey, I close it all in pocket. I shot a big pimpin', got my 10 in, then I'm dipping. Fizz on me as a pimp up, grip on we in it with a shift up. Hey, you be trading Michaels, want my life, size and standards. Hey, you ain't got the answer, profit drive, lane to cancer. Hey, all of this money I bleed, vectors are all that I see. Entry defines my destiny, all because I know what fire can do for me. Pull up with them dips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them dips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them dips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them dips by the motherfucking dips. 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 Flipping up on the beat. Power at 50 selling the peaks. 50 can't let me. Flipping the count. put them bees up for that BTS. Yes, making profits is easy. You rely on cities because you need it. Still believe me. All of the friends trapped and traders. Making a meal before my haters. Life is hard like a Florida Gators. I just wanna pull up with that stick. Hey, I'm talking about guns. Talking about profits, honey to run. Clicking that button, making shit fun. Now you feel like you're lucky. Picking your salary in one click. You pair, you pick. No Fridays, I need it. Then you shift entry profit.
Coming up to that 60 on the 1 hour. Alrighty. Been on this live, YouTube live. We've been on there for almost 2 hours. We're gonna take this to BBC or TP. We'll see. Here come the feds. I knew that GU was gonna do something like that. I just can't get in every trade. Look at that. 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 Been up almost 30-something pips. Told you. Bigger than that blue. It's a dream come true. Woo! Look at that. Bigger than the red. Oh, look at that, man. Come on.
How we get this bread? See, I'ma get the bread like I said. It's a game. I'ma play it in 4 steps.
I probably got 30 pips and been like, I'm out. No. Look at that, man. Beating down the bread like it only got, man. Grabbing profit. They know we on the same market. Make it see me, man. They can't stop it. I know this shot up. Who was looking for this? Look at that. I was talking about this earlier. Just when that news came out. Hear that. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're in profit. Another one. I was talking about this on my YouTube. Entry could have been right here. Profit. I was talking about this. It's crazy.
What you know about that 50-50?
Man, your boy be on point. What is that? That mean EJ probably did his thing. See EJ do. Yep. Oh, who? Oh,
Yeah. Let me see you.
what did I say? Why did I say get in right here? What was right here? So I was talking about getting in right there. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's you right here. You in there.
Off the 50s, how my bank roll grow. Can't no one stop me when I play.
Okay, that's an hour.
AUD about to rocket, I play some trade. They be losing and hating all in my face. Consistently beating the market, make it down. You foot to the left, yeah, one time. Pick it up, drop it low, yeah. On the dog, you gotta bounce.
Man, I be forgetting about some a lot of these trades.
Move your foot to the left, yeah, one time. Pick it up, drop it low, yeah.
You're in profit.
Watch it bounce, real
Come on
time.
now.
Today, the market make it better, give me mine.
Some of these U.S. pairs.
Let me put you on game real quick. When the red and yellow split, listen, hope you get this. I won't say it again, I won't repeat it. Boss has got you heated. Count stay empty, depleted. M&W off the aqua, man, watch it kiss. Catch a D-Lo, if the shift, you straight up miss. Ride it all the way to TP or an exit. All in blue squad, D-Lo, let's get it. Yeah. We foot to the left, yeah, one time. Pick it up, drop it low, yeah. On the dog, we gotta bounce. That will blow your mind, your friend is cute. It's just straight as fun. We foot to the left, yeah, one time. Pick it up, drop it low, yeah, on the dog. Watch it bounce, real tight up on that feeling. Today, the market make it better, give me mine.
Got that NU trade. See, it just gave us that on the 30.
Off the 50s, how my bank roll grow. I got that red, I got that yellow, got that blue. Got that gray, I got that aqua too. NFAs, EMH, yeah they roll. Off the 50s, how my bank roll grow. Let me see you.
Been a nice, if this aqua wasn't so far up here, that'd have been a nice one. Got in on this candle. And profit.
Let me see you. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Oh, I'm like, what is this doing?
What you gotta do is you gotta see
Okay.
yeah. You gotta trust in that process.
Boom, 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 boom. Still haven't touched that, what's that yet? We'll see.
Take breath for all y'all let it hit. Yeah, paid the way, gotta take a breath. Not gonna let the straight down. Turn off my phone, gotta eject. Yeah, taking on the cash, there's nothing left. Yeah, I'm on the mode. Yeah,
I'll get back up here.
yeah, straight careless. Hey, these markets like oh, yeah, we getting haters. They hate that we winning. Set it, got forget it. Yeah, see the scores we ran. Set it, forget it. Set it, forget it.
Like I was talking about, this was supposed to, it's gonna shoot up on my YouTube.
Forget it. Set it.
Right there, been out.
Set it.
So you got it right here.
Take profit. Set it. Forget it. Set
Shit, nice 60 some pips.
Set it. Forget it. Yeah.
Take profit.
Set it. Forget it. Set it. Forget it. Set it. Set it. Take profit. Pippin' no stopping me.
Man, I wish I'd have got in this one though. This was awesome.
Into my pockets of profiting. This is a better way, gotta be. I
crazy because I'm noticing some of these pound pairs, like, I ain't gonna put it out there like that, but just, I've been noticing, but next time, I'm on that ass. Knew this was gonna do that. Well, I didn't know, but the way the market was looking. Alright, Facebook, we about to be up out of here. We're gonna continue this on my YouTube. Just in case those who got in, they didn't know when to get out. Let me see. We're gonna follow this. We still in the VB, so we good. Catch y'all later, Facebook, YouTube. Let's get it.
If you're not with you right now, otherwise bye down. Pull up on the go live in the kill zone, yeah, my profit yeah, they stay high. If you're not with you right now, hide down, I'm back. I'm about to get this. I'm about to rip this pair like that. Gotta follow my step. Gotta follow revenge is bad. Pull up with the whole squad. Shooters on deck. Pockets full of guap. Yeah, looting all these markets. Yeah, brokers run a check for what they got. If you're not with you right now, otherwise right down. Put up on the go live in the kill zone. Yeah, profit yeah, they stay high. Straight into blue and you passes the bar. Fast in the spark, dashes the park. Would take you cab, but can't take it too far. Racking the gold, bitcoins like art. Millies and billies, call me Tony Stark. Boatloads of cash, I'm on Noah's Ark. 2 by 2 pairs, I'm rolling. If you're not with you right now, otherwise right down. Put up on the go live in the kill zone. Yeah, profit yeah, they stay.
Came up to that came up to that 60 on the hour. Came up to that 60 on the hour. So we'll see if we're going to VB out of here on the hour. We VB. Ooh, we might be in for a reside. That thing might come all the way up here. We might have to hold on to this trade if we do that. If we VB on the hour. talking another, 8, 9 pips. Depending on your lot size, that could be some mighty fine paper towel. So yeah, I want to stay on this live. I got so much to do. I got stuff I got to do today. Gotta get done. So let's hope we stay VB'd out. Hope this day's starting to push up some more, and we might be good. So yeah, man, YouTube. I don't know if any of y'all taking any trades or y'all just watching, but if y'all not taking any trades, and I can just go ahead and exit and do my thing. I'm gonna watch this though. If we hit a VB, then of course I'll be out. But we'll see. Josie Arnold. Then if it's not a D-low until after the shift, that's we go the vector M or W shift D-low. So it's not a D-low until after it shifts. So the D-low doesn't come until after the shift. So that wouldn't be a D-low. Like right here, it shifted. We got our shift right here, Josie. Then we got our D-low right here. Shift, D-low. So that's what happened on that. Even with this one, this is another type of D-low right here. I don't know how far you are with this, but this is another D-low, MES. See, we got our shift, came and created a D-low, these 3 candles, D-low, TP. So that was our, for that one. But if you're talking about the GU and the GU trade, Josie, let me see something. How come I don't see that? But you're talking about this. He created a shift before the D-low again. See, this is the shift, D-low. Same with this one. Let me see. This one actually isn't a D-low because this was the shift. Then it shifted. So let me see. I do the shift. No, it actually shifted right here. They didn't create a D-low. This whole thing was the shift. Yeah, this whole thing, this whole one was the. Yeah, this candle right here caused the shift. Then you get in right here, the shift. It didn't. This never gave a D-low at all. It just gave you a shift. You get in on the shift and you profit. So, but I think GU actually shifted. Then the D-low, or you can. If this, let me see. Yeah, this was the shift right here. It shifted, then it dropped. So you could have got it right here. So these really aren't D-lows. You gotta get the shift first, then the D-low. So it shifted right here. You could have got in. You could have got in right here, and you better call all of this. But you didn't get an M, so technically you probably wouldn't have got in. But right here is where you. This is the real move right here. This the false move. vectored out. It's the false move. This is what get everybody think is going down. And what they do, they create that W. Now this one, we got our shift. This is a W. This is the counter that caused it, that shifted, caused the shift. Then you would have got in right here. And I would have got out right here. So that was that. But I'm watching this to see what it does. You know, if it's gonna go up or are we gonna get a VB? See. All right. But yeah, that was that. So I definitely would have entered this GU and GJ trade if I wasn't in the CAD trade. I definitely would have entered these. I'd have been out. I would have, yeah, I know it's not my 1 or 2, but I would have got like my 30 pips and I'd have been gone. Just because I know a pullback is going to come eventually, because it's going to come back to the, at least to the 13. But this one right here is another one that I was looking at. It's actually a D-low, so you could have got some pippage on that one. This one as well. That 1 hour D-low, so let you know it is what it is. You just would have had to follow your exits. There's so many different exits on here. Like if this was closed below that, go ahead and get out because it's close to your entry. If this candle right here closes below, we out. But our eyes is kind of on these. See if you can get anything from these U.S. pairs. They gonna do anything? Yeah, actually seeing this. We got our M, false move right here. I think this one's on this is the shift. And you enter and you so that would have been your entry right there. You're in profit. So you just gotta watch what you know. It's like, is it worth it though? Sometimes you see it, but it's like we got the 60. I mean the 40 right here, and we got the the 800. So it's like, do you want to get in right there or not? Because for me, I don't know. You know you're gonna have some resistance right here. So, but yeah, this thing is this was beautiful right here. This is the one I actually wanted to get in, but I missed it. I was peed. I would have got out somewhere over here, but it's okay. And you like it's just so many. It wasn't like this day. I didn't think this day was gonna be that good, but it actually started. It actually became a pretty decent trade day. Let me see this CAD on the 30. See if that's a 30 minute. That's no good. So I ain't gonna lie on that CAD trade, the NZD CAD. I loaded up on that one. Yeah. I done seen. That was too many confirmations for me. Oh man, we missed this. What's we doing? This isn't really a dealer, but I would have took that one. Like that was, it's close enough. Shit. Trying to see what this one would do. Oh, it'd be awesome if it was to shoot down a little bit more and then come back up. Boom. But I think I'm pretty much, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to enter any more trades. Like, okay, we can get rid of that. We killed that one. That one was smashed. It's starting to go up now. This cat, I don't know what it want to do. If it doesn't want to shoot up anymore, let's go to the hour and see. Let me. Trying to see if this cat is gonna make some more moves and shoot up. Why is it not showing the I don't even know what all this stuff is. Let's see what this clicking on shit. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. I can start creating a highlight like once it hit TP or something like that. Oh, that'd be pretty neat. Look at that. Come on up there. Oh, we might get a VB on the hour. You know what that means. We're gonna stay in this trade. Oh shoot, man, we might be in some pepperonis today. On the hour, shit. We fucking around and come way up here. Let me see something. Break up out of that. We come up to about right there. That's another 30-something pips. Okay. Like Jeezy say, stop playing with me. We might have to hold this one. Oh, we might have to hold this trade. We might see some, especially if this thing break up. If we VB, we about to VB. This well, actually we currently VB. We just gonna have to see what this hour does. Yeah. We currently VB'd on an hour. So we gonna be standing this trade too. Oh yeah. Let's go back to the 15. Oh yeah. Look at that. We about to smack TP. Oh, TP smacked. TP smashed. But I'm staying in even though we smacked the TP. Yes, man. It's a good trading day today. Good trading day. See how when it came up to there, just get that reaction off of there. gonna see if we bang out some more pippage over here. Let me check something. I didn't even see where my money count at. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. $1 million. I'm just playing. Oh, buddy. Should have been more. That's what I'm talking about. It's a good day today. Woo, there we go. Come on, let's go. Man. Trying to see some. I see Josie had said something, but look at that thing, baby. That thing is moving. That's what I'm talking about. Be on that hour. It said we hit that VB on that hour. That thing come up here to this. Whoo, let that thing come up. Ah, man, we are looking good. Like I said, I'm still in this trade, even though we smashed TP. If you come up here, I'll move the TP up here to smash because this is our whole TP area. So we'll see. Buddy, that's what I'm talking about. Like, we might have to hold this trade because that baby looking like it wants to come up. Like, let's go to the hard. Let me see something. I really do like this. Go to the 4 hour. Because I know we're going to have some pullbacks in here, but for now, sheesh. Look at that, man. Okay, eventually want to come way up here to, we have to break this to, 30 something, 80 something. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, man. Thinking about holding this trade for like just a swing type trade. Cause shit is coming to this, man. We could be getting a VB on here. Pretty small, might not happen today, but you know. I'm just looking at potential. Like, of course, we're gonna have pullbacks and all that other good stuff. Just saying. Like what I'm seeing, that this thing could be starting to got that up momentum. Even on a daily, we looking good. So honestly, if we have a hold on, let me see somewhere. Got in down here. pips right there. It's a 100 pip move. But you know, these just can take a minute because CAD don't move that fast like that. ACD CAD. But of course, we're gonna have some pullbacks in here. So I do like what I'm seeing as far as the uptrend. So yeah, if you had took this trade, man, I would say go ahead and take profits, man, because I'm about to hop off. So with me, I'm gonna be watching it. I'm gonna use my exits, you know. So yeah, man, TP smashed. Like we up in this joint, yo. Mm-hmm. So far, we are 2-0 for the trading today. Oh, yes. We go ahead and mark this up. So we're gonna post this into the some of the chats. Make it a little bit fat so you can see it. Just a little bit fat. All right. What's this? NCD share. I'll just. Oh. Come on, this thing is moving slow. Oh yeah, cause I'm doing a lot of CPU with this live and stuff. So. Alright, we can get up out of that one. Let's go to the NZD CAD. Yes, sir. We are going to 3 years to take a picture. Actually, we up here now. Jeez. Like, what is wrong with this thing? Alright, let's see something. Alright, I'm still gonna be in this trade. See, V beat on the hour on here, so that's why I'm still standing in this one. So yeah, man, like hold on, let's see. We got 8:30 coming. We might have some entries coming up here. So let's look. And GN, what GU doing? Oh, I'm looking at. I'm on the freaking hour. We need to go to the 15. But they did it. But it did. Yeah, I probably been out of there. Yep. I got that money. Got up. Would have got that money. Got up. Money. Got up. Would have got that money. Got up. Did I tell on my earlier YouTube live? Didn't I say? Well, this ain't YouTube live. I said this was going to come up. Looking at it, maybe it'll come up here. Like I said, like to the 1920s. Look at that. It's really gonna start moving because the New York session. That was beauty. Tougho. Got it way back down here. Jeez, man. When you're right, you're right. Ain't always right, but it's pretty good when you are. The time that you are. What did I say? Look at that. W shift entry profit. Oh man. EJ did the same. Look at that. Whoa. It's an hour D-low right here. Then it just gave us a 15-minute D-low. Come on, man. Stop doing that. Quit hating. Yes, and we only like, oh yeah. Like, I'll risk 10 pips. Well, we can get up there. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, give me 20 of them babies. Yes, I really would like you to come down here. Yes. Another possible entry. So what I want to see is, hold on, we're gonna look at this one. Let me see. We're gonna look at this one, y'all. That's what you're talking about. That's what you're talking about. We're gonna look at this, but I want this baby to yes. This is just like the NZD cat when that one gave us that hour. Let's look on the hour real quick, see where these cause this is okay. This is where we could take it to if it give us, yeah, right, we could take it up to here. Oh, this is perfect. Like, come on. I like what I'm seeing. Period. But I need that pullback. If I don't get that pullback, I'm not entering this trade. I would like you to pull back down here before it goes up. That way, if you pull back down to here, you know, you're risking that. So, pull back down in there. I gotta see what EJ is on. Like I said, if it doesn't give me that pullback, but the thing is, like, you could enter this trade. Like, honestly, you can enter this trade right now. Like, you cool. I mean, once it's kind of close, you could have entered it. Like, how many pips is this away from the entry? It's not that many. Like, okay, 3-4 pips. So me personally, like, I'm not entering. Like, even if I was to enter, but I gotta go to. I don't even think I got this. Let me see. I gotta add it. All right. Let me see how many. My spread. Let's say 3-4 pips. So I'll say. Getting these profits today. Jamming around my range. Yeah. So. And 958. I would like to see. Inputs 958. Let's go with 28. Where does that put us at? How many pips right there? 17 pips. So we would need at least 34. So we would have to come all the way up here. Like about right there. Which is probably not bad. But I'll probably get out somewhere up in here. Right up in this area is where I'll probably get out. But yeah, like that's the entry. But for me, I would want it would have to come down here. Like I would want it to come down here for me to get in. That's just me. But like I said, this is a okay entry. There's nothing wrong with that. Honestly, I should have, got in with a small lot size. Period. You get in. So what a lot of, like I said, advanced traders do, you get in with a small lot size. Then if it comes down here, you get in with the rest of it. See, now we missed this trade. Like it's over. Like this thing taking off. So yeah, that would have been a good trade. Like for real. If you got in right here, still a good trade to get in. Like I'm not knocking it or anything like that. It's a good trade. I just wanted to pull back just a little bit. It looks like it did pull back to that, but y'all seen it. It's just because it's a moving average, so it's moving it up. So we'll see if it comes back down, which it could. So we'll keep an eye on that. But I was looking at EJ to go up, and that's what it's doing. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. So we had some good calls today. Really good calls. I should have done back on YouTube Live. Facebook Live. Let me look at my cat. Make sure that thing ain't take a nosedive on me. Okay, we still in Profitico. Still looking at this VB. If we get the VB, if this thing, we still good. Alrighty. No. So let's go look at some more potentials. What's that? EJ, got E-Chef. E-Cat. It's a D-Lo, sort of. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna mess with that. But a VB, though. Hold on, that thing VB. Oh, yeah. VB right to the 60. Come on, it's New York session. Y'all ain't doing shit for your boy. UJ, okay, yeah. That's the. I don't know what the hell this shit doing. That's why you gotta wait for these, like these US pairs. You just gotta wait. They have a money they own. See what this does. Is it gonna break it or it's gonna sit there? And you, so I see you. Don't know what fucking cat want to do. Just playing around, trying to pull that 200 down. That's what it's doing. Man, some good trades today, yo. Some good trades. Wish I could have got into the EJ though. That thing just took off. It left us. But y'all said to get in. But y'all gotta push that button and see what it's doing. Did it pull back? Woo! Man, that thing, it done took off. It ain't coming back down there. Y'all see this right here? Like I said, like it comes up to this green dotted line. I'll be out. If I'd have got in, I'd have been out at the green dotted line. Like, period. I'm done. It didn't have to come up here for me. Unless it came up here in VB. Then I'm like, yeah, we're gonna Your boys, it's on fire today, y'all. 3-0. 3-0. Powerful. Man. I missed some good ones. I caught some good ones. Let me see. I don't see all the trades that I called today. Let me see. They all hit. Let's go. One. Now we watch this. VVB, we out. Simple as that. We got 7 minutes for that trade, so we have watched that. We got one trade that was good. 2. 3. 4. 5. Look at that. And 6. So all 6 trades that I looked up, well, I mean, I took but 2 of them, but you know, they all in profit. They all, look at that. When you win it, like, man, like this shit is crazy, man. Boy's gonna be a millionaire. I got the mic away from me, but six trades, all 6 profit, all 6 in profit. That's what I'm talking about. Today's a good day, man. Good day. Like most of these trades are gone. Like if you didn't get in it, it's over. So here's where you follow your exits. You know, you got, it's another exit that y'all don't even know about. I haven't used it in a while, but for this type trade, I probably would have used my exit. But I do like using the that's different levels. Oh my God, y'all! Do you not see what is? Look at this. Sheesh. We talking all the way up here. Yes. GU might be the same way. Oh, GU gotta break this shit. But GJ? GJ? Do y'all? Oh my God. Oh, what was I looking at then? Because that thing was, I was looking at something different or something. Thought it was GJ. I don't know what I was looking at then. Or was it EJ? What the hell was I looking at? Oh man, I'm tripping. I don't even remember. I thought it was GJ that I was looking at. Let's see if I can. Cause I was like, wow, but it was, unless it just, I don't know what the hell I was looking at. Yeah, I was looking at GJ, but why did it look different now? Okay, let's go back. Let's do this. Let's go back. Why does it look different now? That's weird. Y'all see that? Tripping. Oh. So keep pushing GCAD probably. No. I still thought I was looking at, I don't know, tripping. Maybe that was it. Maybe I'm just tripping. Maybe I'm just tripping. But look where it's going. Man. I should have been in this trade, yo. I should have been in this trade, yo. That thing is about to go to the moon. Gee, you might follow suit. Ooh, look at this. Gee, you coming up here. Gee, you come up here, then it's over. It's over. let's look at EJ, man, because EJ might be doing some pretty funky stuff too. It's coming up here. I said I got out up in here. I'll tell y'all, man, this shit is ridiculous. I said this was going to happen. I said, let's look at my cat, see what cat is cat trying to pull down. Oh, cat's like, hold on, we don't want a VB. We don't want you to take us out the game. We want to continue to go up. We was looking at our see if this thing can. We already looked at this. We looked at this and said this baby can do some damage. If it gets past this, we smooth selling. Probably up to here. Before a nice pullback. So we're gonna stay in this trade. Like, yeah. It's like the more I do these lives and look at stuff, man, this stuff is awesome, man. Like, it really is. Ah, man. So, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Man, we've been on this. How long we been on this freaking live, yo? Like, we had some nice trades, like over almost 3 hours. Almost 3 hours with y'all, man. Let's see. Let's go back to EJ. EJ, oh my God, I wish I would have got in this. I wanted to pull back. That day said, It just didn't pull back. Okay, so, but you want to know something that's awesome? You see this, right? Now, we're on that hours, our hourly low entry. So, since we got that 15-minute hour stop smoother right there. So, let's go to that entry. Now we got a 1 to 16. Even if we break it down to here, we still at 1 to 9, 1 to 10. Come on, man. This is awesome. Let's go back up here, though. Look at that 1 to 16. Jesus. Look at that. Man, this is awesome.
Zijn we binnen? Ja, we gaan echt aan de hoofden laten spinnen. En we hoeven deze keer zelf niks meer te verzinnen. Want we hebben echt een hele vette tool. Iedereen in deze Zoom, ja, die weet wat ik bedoel. Iedereen in deze Zoom weet waar het over gaat. Ja, iedereen die weet nu precies als het take profit staat. Maar voor al je stoppers, ja, die is belangrijk. Het is echt van groot belang.
Dude, he rapping in Dutch. I like it. That's what's up. Okay. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, man, this is... Whew. This cat. Like, I want this cat to do what I want it to do. Cat I see you, cat. You trying to play with me? I would. Hold on. Cause we might be getting up out this trade. Hold on, let me see something. We might be getting up out of cat, y'all. Cat might be done for. The only reason I would stay here is, see, like, okay, so it's not really out yet. It might look like that kind of VB. This could, but see, that can come right back up. Then we got this hour. We got to see what this hour is going to do. So I'm going to hold off. I want to see what it does on the hour, because it's still kissing it. So we still right there on that hour, so I can't just jump out yet. Can't just jump out yet. It's because this thing has a potential to freaking shoot through the roof, like GJ is doing. Like this shit is about to take off. I see where y'all trying to go. I see where you trying to go. This thing has a lot of fucking. Oh man, Jesus, man. Woo! All right, y'all, man. Let me go back to my YouTube real quick, and we gotta. All right, so yeah, yo, that's what this is, man. We about to get up out of here, man. I got stuff I gotta get done. I gotta work out and all this other good stuff. So yeah, man. Good trading with you guys. Y'all see we was like 6 trades call. All 6 are either hit TP or they in profit. So man, hope y'all liked it. I'll catch y'all on the next one.